Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make your phone never turn off. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. It doesn't matter if you are on iOS 16 or lower, the process is the same for all versions of iOS. First of all, open your iPhone or iPad settings. Then find the display and brightness settings. In here, find the auto lock option, open it, and you can see that it's set to 30 seconds for me. That means that my iPhone screen will automatically turn off lock after 30 seconds when I'm not using it. Now if you just set it to never, your iPhone screen will never turn off automatically. So if you want to lock your device, then you need to click the lock button on your iPhone, and that's it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.